Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on SQL joins. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of SQL joins. So join me as we explore the different type of joins and their practical applications using some exciting table examples. So let's get started. In today's video, we will be covering four different type of joins. Inner join, left join, right join and full outer join. To better understand joins, let's consider two examples, customers and orders. Our customer table contains information about various customers, while the orders table holds detail about the orders they have placed. So here is our customer table to my right. It includes columns such as customer ID, customer name, and city, and each row represents a unique customer. And to my left is the orders table. It includes columns such as order ID, customer ID, and product. And each row represents a unique order, and the customer ID column establishes relationship with the customers table. Now let us explore the different type of joins we can use to combine these tables. Think of it like combining two Venn diagrams, where the overlapping regions represent the matching records. So first up, we have the inner join. What is inner join? This join type returns only the matching records between the customers and orders table. It excludes any rows that don't have a match in both tables. With the help of a practical example. In the SQL Server, we have created two tables, customers and orders. So if I execute this, let's see what is the result of these tables. These tables are containing customer table having customer ID, name and city column, and orders table having order ID, customer ID and product column. For instance, if we want to find customers who have placed orders, we can perform an inner join. So, so to perform an inner join, I'll write the query as select star from customers inner join orders on customers.customer ID is equal to orders.customer ID. So as I said, inner join will give us only the matching records in the output. So let's again see these tables. First table is having customer ID 101, 102, and 103. And second table is having only 101, 102, and there is another 104. So let's see what is the result of inner join. If I run this query, so this will give us only two rows in the output, 101 and 102. And these are the rows which are common between two tables. So inner join will give us only the matching records. Next, let's discuss the left join. This join type returns all the records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. If there is no match, it fills in with null values. Now let's understand left join with a practical example. Again, we have these two tables, customers and orders. In customer table, we have customer ID 101, 102, and 103. In orders table, we have customer ID as 101, 102, and 104. As I said, left join will give us only the all the records from the left table and only the matching rows from the right table. So in this case, if we replace inner join with left join, right? So left table is customers, which is on the left to the left join, and right table is orders. So if we do this and run these queries now, see what will be the result of left join. See, these were the tables, and this is the result of left join. So here you can see left join contain is containing all the records from left table, whether it is present in the right table or not. It is there. 101 is there, 102 is there, 103 is there. And but since we don't have any entry like against this 103 in the orders table, it is giving us null values against this record. So this is how left join works. So now let's explore the powerful right join. So just like the left join we discussed earlier, right join allows us to combine tables while ensuring we retain all records from the right table. So it is vice versa of the left join. To better understand right join, let's understand it with an example in SQL Server. So we have these tables, customers and orders. In customer table, I have 101, 102, and 103 customer ID. And in a orders table, we have customer ID 101, 102, and 104. And we are applying right join based on customer ID column. So if I run this command, so output will be this one. So you see, we'll be having, as I said, right join will give us all the record from the right table and only the matching record from the left table. So you see here, all the customer ID from the orders table are there. 101, 102, and 104 are there. 103 is not there since it is only in the left table, and this one is there, but you see there is null against this because there is no record present for this customer ID 104 in the left table, that is customers table. So this is how the right join will work. So right join will work just opposite of the left join. Now let's understand the full outer join. A full outer join combines all records from both tables, including unmatched record, creating a complete data set. So all the records present in left table and the right table will be present in the resulted table. Let's consider the same example again where we have customers and orders table. And now if we want to apply full outer join between these tables, let's replace this with full outer join. And if I run these commands now, let's see what is the output. Now you can see all the IDs present in the left table, which are 101, 102, 103. These are also there in the resultant table. Also, all the IDs which are in the right table will be there again. It's 101, 102, and 104. And say for 103, there is no entry in the right table against this. So there will be null values written here. Also, similarly for 104, there will be null values here. So I think this is all about all the joins, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.